When you use a fabric steamer or any other steamer, calcium and magnesium builds up in the reservoir after several uses, causing your steamer not to work properly or not work at all. I will show you how to begin the process of descaling your steamer on a regular basis. This is the Conair Compact Fabric Steamer, model GS4. This steamer works great. Unfortunately, it's no longer available, but you may be able to find it on eBay. Calcium and magnesium has built up in this reservoir. Depending on how much buildup you have in your steamer, it may take a few tries to get rid of it. Add water to the reservoir. You can use tap water. Fill the reservoir halfway with water. Add vinegar until it reaches to max level. The steam that comes out is very hot, so if you have kids, be sure to keep them away from the steamer while it's on. I recommend that you clean your steamer outside. Vinegar has a bad smell and will stink up your house if you don't. You can see that the water and vinegar is boiling, so be careful. Remember how much buildup we had? Now after 2 cleanings, we can see results. 1 or 2 more tries should clean it completely. I hope you found this helpful. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.